Hello and welcome to Measurement Conversions. This video is going to show you a foolproof method to move from one unit to another. It could be units within the same system or within different systems. And by that I mean units within, let's say, the metric system, like centimeters to meters, or to move between the systems, for example, kilometers to miles. The other system being the imperial system. Here we have an example where we have 3 cups and we want to know how many gallons that's equal to. So the way that I'm going to suggest is to use your conversion chart. Now, this is the same kind of chart that you're going to find in textbooks, in cooking books, in a wide variety of sources. But basically you want to find the 2 units, cups and gallons. So this here is a volume measurement, volume units. So here we have length, weight. So, and now we've got volume, and we're looking for cups and gallons. So we can see the conversion here is 16 cups is equal to 1 gallon. So we're going to want to put cups over cups and gallons over gallons. And it told us 16 cups is equal to 1 gallon. In this case here, because we have x over 1, then we can just divide these numbers, because x over 1 is the same as just straight x. So this is a divide question. So 3 divided by 16 is 0.1875 gallons. I feel like a lot of folks do these questions and they just take a guess whether it's multiply or divide. But when you set it up as this kind of a ratio, it'll be clear to you whether you need to be multiplying or dividing. So we'll look at the next example. And the next example I put in here specifically because, we might want to, let's say, use this one, feet to yards. But in this case here, this little 2 means it's squared. So it's square yards or square feet, which is indicating area, not length. If you have cubic yards or cubic feet, you would see the number 3, and then that would talk about volume. And, if you're buying flooring is going to come in square feet. If you're buying soil or gravel, it's going to come in cubic feet. So the unit's really important. So keep an eye on those things. So in terms of our chart, we actually have to look on the second side, or the other side. And we see the area header. And we can look in and find square yards and square feet. Now, they're on the same side because this is helping us to convert to other systems. And what it says is 1 square yard is the same as 9 square feet. So because they're beside each other, that's saying that they're equal. So we want to put square yards over square yards, square feet over square feet. And we'll use 9 over here and 1 over here. So 1 square yard is equal to 9 square feet. 2.5 square yards is equal to how many square feet? Now we don't see x over 9, but what we could do is sort of cross multiply x with 1. And then that would just give us the 1 times x gives us 1x. And now here we could see the multiply. 9 times 2.5 to give us 22.5. And those are square feet. So that was a multiply. So when x is over 1, then we're going to divide. When x is over a number, or basically when you can cross multiply x with a 1, then it's a multiply situation.